Father, can you explain how you started the farming of Milagres grounds? Did you see the whole ground or part of the ground?
No, what I did, this also connected with the COVID lockdowns.
Okay.
Uh,
So actually, COVID lockdowns has made many people having the passion into farmers and everything. That's a very good thing which has happened.
Not only that, my staff, some of the staff saw, and they were asking me, Father, we too want to go because they were there at home nearly about 3 to 4 months. They called me, we too want to grow at home houses. What to do? Then where are the boxes available? Where the plastics are available? And they too have grown at home. That is by seeing this. And some of the
Wow.
students, they have seen and gone home and during these holidays because they didn't know what to do, and they have done and they have told me. But what happened to me is, as I said, terrace gardening. I had two crops. Then afterwards, what happened? We didn't want to leave the terrace open because it is very huge. It is about 10, 12,000 square feet, and where we wanted to put a rooftop on that because that leakage will start after 4 years, and that gave me option. Now what to do? What to do? I was thinking all the boxes have to be brought down from the terrace. It is fifth floor. Remember, my terrace garden is on the fifth floor, and from there we have to get down all things and wanted to see the. You can see the place, and we had a place here where we what is called park our buses for school buses. I calculated. I know the school will start only in the month of most probably October, November, December. I have got enough time. I start in the month of let's say again May, June, July, August, September, October. I'll get at least 6 months. I'll get. I thought everything shifted down, and where there was little shade, and we had enough because wanted to see the pace also. Our ground is completely asphalted, tarry ground. Naturally, there is no space. There is no sand. Very heat it is. But I saw some place because there was a fencing over there. I wanted to put all the creepers on the fence. That's why I used the fence of the ground and put all the boxes near the fence, and I made the creepers to grow into that. So area used not more than about, as I said, 5 cents, not more than that. But because my system, what of growing vegetables, doesn't require space at all. Only uses boxes. Can you see the boxes? See, external it is thermocol. Inside it is plastic cover is there. So naturally, we have to make holes into that boxes and fill that boxes with the half a layer mud, then half a layer compost, then again layer by layer you put, and it remains for long. And don't put at a time because you have to, as the plant grows, in system you have to put manure. Otherwise, at a time it grows and afterwards it stops giving any fruit. So I put manure at least for 4 to 5 times, and whenever because I don't fill the boxes at a time. First we fill a quarter, then as the plant grows up, then again a layer of manure, then again layer of mud, layer of manure, layer of mud. It goes on up to, that's why the fruit grows more than 2 months.
Okay.
The plant continuously gives fruits unless it is attacked by the pesticides or what.
Father, I just wanted to ask you, what is the importance of agriculture in today's environment and why people have to go for organic farming?
Yes, as I said in the beginning only, that if you love the nature, and if you see being with the greenery, with the trees, plants, something you cannot get anywhere else. That's why I felt in the city, because I see very few trees around us. We have got 4 trees only in our campus, and seeing that trees, and when you, because nowadays see we don't have time to go for walk and other things because we are busy in the college. I take only because I myself cultivate, I myself go and dig and put mud, and along with my one or two attendants are there. Whenever they're free, I call them and I tell along. Then whenever students are there, some help students or NSS, they have got eco club, they give help. Now see, it gives me a lot of what is called love and also energy to work for the plants. When you grow plants, you, what is called, being with the nature, you become one with the nature, and that 1 hour you spend with the plants, when you work, that the oxygen they give
Yes.
and the freshness you feel, and when you
Yes.
sweat a little bit, you don't feel this unless you go for 1 or 2 hours walk. Instead of that, go and work in the garden, and you one side you get fruits, other side you get exercise. Both things are health also maintain. At the same time, you earn. But in my case, if you want me ask what I do and the income, I'll tell you later on.
Now, anyone can buy any amount of land as per the audience passed by Karnataka government. Is it good for agriculture sector? What will be the disadvantages of this?
Okay, actually, so far the agricultural land should be only for the farmers, and they only could buy and sell. But now, if the ordinance is passed that the land mafia will get into, and the agriculture fertile land surely will be taken away by the landlords as well as the builders, and naturally the agricultural land will be one day surely will be converted into another what is called what is called building city.
Yes.
As that's why the farming aspect may be lost. Anyway, it is good. So suppose somebody purchases from a farmer and utilizes for some of his commercial purposes, then the purpose is lost. As a result, tomorrow our farmers especially, and those who are interest like these young people, those who are interest to cultivate, may not get land at all.
The products what you get, what are you going to do with the revenue in that?
Yes, that's the question I wanted to answer you properly. Third aspect, why I wanted to start a little in a larger scale, because I wanted to start only 10, 15 plants. But after I started to 100 plants, then the intention was that the students started helping me. Then I thought, why can't help the student? Those are so many students come here without having little to pay. Minimum fees they could not pay. I thought, oh, this could be a very good idea. We spend our time and little energy, some money we spend. We never calculate what is spent on that. What comes only will it calculate it. Last year nearly about 25,000 rupees. Whatever after using, we have a lab here. We use products for our lab because we had hotel management, and afterwards in the church I use most of the things whenever it is required.
What is your message to people amidst living with Corona? And what is your call to the viewers to support News Karnataka and why?
Corona pandemic has given a lesson to the public and people, especially to love the nature. If you destroy the nature, this is what going to happen. And if you don't care of the nature, and also the powers of the nature to be accepted, and even a small thing like a virus destroys human beings, and you realize when we have our own what is called selfish nature, naturally we destroy nature itself. That's why one thing is sure. And also maybe that we are given enough time. This corona time has given enough time for the people, as Romualdo said, to think different ways. So we don't, instead of grumbling and complaining, we don't have job, we don't have money, we don't have this one. And so he could have used, if there is a land, or he said no, if somebody's land also, somebody, today's world, like people not those selfish, empty lands are there. Suppose somebody goes in ahead, said, I want to cultivate. I don't think so. Anybody will say no. Uh, this is what in this way they can. Second, I would like to tell them that make use of the time which is given. Of course, with positive mind, we go ahead with this. Even that Corona time could be accepted, and the difficulties will be naturally shared and lessened. I thank especially News Karnataka and your Village TV that had done a wonderful work recognizing. Not me, I have come as maybe a guest, but Romo, you have done great things. So please let people know that young people should know, learn from you.